Okay, today I'm going to show you how to box up a pinball machine, pack it, get it ready for traveling. The first thing I like to do with the game up and running is key up the game. And that puts the ball in the tray so that you can retrieve it. Turn the machine off. Open the play field. Don't lose that. Off. Remove the glass. Be careful with the glass. Don't lay it down on concrete. If you lay it on anything that's sharp or pointed, it could crack it. This is tempered glass. Your first indication of trouble will be that it turns into a million little diamonds. So handle it carefully. Find a soft place to put it. Take it out carefully. Set it aside. Next, we're going to retrieve the ball. Usually I would like to pack those in some soft Ziploc bag. Check inside and underneath. Remove anything that's loose in here. A few quarters. Paperwork. If it's dirty, get a vacuum and clean it out. Anything that's metal or anything inside there, when you tip it up on its end, which is the way it travels, that dirt and metal can travel into the electronics and cause you shorts when you put it back together. Back down. Insert the glass. Keeper. Lock it. Close it, take the key out. Back box is ready to go. Move the glass and temporarily lay it down. Box. 4 head bolts. We have to remove those. We'll go ahead and remove the glass to a safer position. The head bolts, you need a 9/16 ratchet. Tighten these very tight initially. Be careful around the circuit boards. Don't want to bend or break anything while you're in the back box, be very careful. Under normal circumstances, you're going to leave this on the top of the play field, so you don't need to remove any cables. Hold the back box firmly in place. It can be very tippy, as you can see, and it will slide forward onto this. Close the back box back up. I normally wrap the play field with a moving blanket. I don't currently have one, but we would wrap it with a moving blanket over the top up to this point. And then very carefully tip the back box down onto the play field. Let's slide forward. Lay it flat. With the back box down, take the power cord, which is coming out of the back. There's a groove back here. I'll show you in just a second. take the cord, coil it neatly, put it down into the back box. Don't forget that when you're putting it back together, because it needs to come out and come through its groove. At the back box, remember we tucked the electrical cord inside. Push down the side, the electrical cord back out. There's a gap in the cabinet. Electrical cord fits in. You want to make a service loop so that when you go to put the head bolts back in, you don't intercept the cord. Make sure the ground wire, if you detach the ground wire because it was too short, be sure to reattach it when you go back in, but pull it out as well if it's been tucked down on the inside. Make sure that it's in the opening before you tip the back box up. I usually use some foam padding or pieces of cardboard, put around the corners as I'm putting a strap around the These will prevent the strap from chafing the bottom of the case and the sides of the case. You're going to need a device, a stool, a stand, or something. I use this contraption that stands about 2 or 3 inches above the base of the cabinet in the front and the back. And that's so you can raise it up enough to get the legs off. I usually start in the back. Raise the cabinet. Put the stand under it. My drill driver. Need a slightly larger socket. First one is again a 9/16 socket. Get the back legs off very carefully. Remove the support. Grab the back box from the inside edges. Lower it to the ground gently. Make sure everything's clear back here. Tip it up. Listen carefully for anything jingling or banging. Do all of these slowly so you don't bounce the circuit boards or anything in the back box. So then it's back. Remove the front legs. Then transport the pinball machine with a dolly like this. Pull the tippy to the back. If you're going to go very far, I would suggest putting another strap around the dolly to hold this onto the cart. When you take it to a truck or a vehicle, take it to the loading side of the vehicle, to the tailgate, bring it up fairly close, drop it flat, remove the dolly, and then you can tip the unit over onto the machine, two-man lift the back end up and slide it in. And that's how you load pinball.